What's up guys? This is 5 things with new video. Italy is a bucket list trip for many, and with bene reason. The southern European country is home to some of the world's best cuisine, architecture, fashion, art, and Mediterranean coastline. The language, people, and vino have inspired repeat visitors and dedicated Italophiles for centuries. That said, Italy is a complex country with its own set of customs and etiquette that are much different from what you might have seen or read in Under the Tuscan Sun. Read on for 5 important tips to know before you visit Italy. Number 1. Dinner starts at 7:30, or whenever. The Italians don't eat the evening meal as late as the Spanish, but it's not unusual for restaurants to open a little later than what we're used to in the United States. Many restaurants, especially outside of tourist hotspots, don't open until 6 or 7. Restaurateurs often take a casual approach to business hours, opening and closing when they feel like it. It's not unusual for a restaurant to close its doors for 3 days while the owner visits relatives in Naples. Number 2. Don't order pizza in Florence. Okay, of course there is good pizza to be found in Florence. Americans tend to think of Italian food, spaghetti with meatballs, pizza, risotto, etc. as one general cuisine. But Italy is divided into 20 regions, and each one specializes in something delicious using local techniques and ingredients. This is a country where people have serious opinions about which pasta shape pairs best with which pasta sauce. For the most authentic pizza experience, you'll have to travel to the place where the margherita pie was invented, Naples. Lombardy is famous for risotto, Bologna has the best Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, Sicily is for cannoli, the Amalfi Coast is best for limoncello, and Rome is known for carbonara. The food culture is one of Italy's biggest draws, and it's meant to be both enjoyed and taken seriously. Number 3. No cappuccino allowed after breakfast. Remember, Italy has a lot of customs and thoughts around food. And one biggie is that cappuccino, or any coffee drink with milk, is for the morning only and never to be consumed after a meal. Italians don't like the combination of hot milk and a full stomach. You can go ahead and order whatever you'd like, but be prepared for some side-eye at minimum and probably a small lecture about digestion. Espresso is fair game all day. Number 4. The metro is complicated. Rome has had a metro since the 50s, and today 3 lines conveniently serve 73 stations. Many visitors save loads of money by staying at a more affordable hotel on the city's exterior and taking the train into the center to see the sights. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before hopping on a train. First, Rome is often plagued by labor strikes that temporarily shut down the metro. Keep your eyes on the news. Second, just buying a ticket isn't enough. You have to validate it in a machine before boarding the train. Third, kids under the age of 10 ride the metro for free with an adult and don't need a ticket. Number 5. Public restrooms are plentiful. One thing we wish more cities would adopt is the convenient public restroom system found throughout Italy. For €1, visitors can relieve themselves without having to pretend to be a customer at a restaurant. The restrooms are staffed, cleaned regularly, and stocked with toilet paper and sinks. It's a very civilized way to deal with a very human behavior. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.